Hey guys, Sonic2WB here. Testing out the, I don't know what you'd really call this, engine running detection via the crankshaft sensor of my truck. I just want to give a shout out to everybody on Freenode at the hashtag Arduino channel for helping me out and putting up with me while I got this working. As you can see here, I got it up here. Nah, ain't nobody here. Let me see if anyone's here. Okay, I don't think there's anyone here at the moment. Okay, so what I have is I have a signal from my crankshaft sensor that comes in via a line, a wire, and it's sending frequency pulses based on the revolution of the motor. And I'm checking that with a command called pulse in. It measures, you can either have it measuring the leading edge, the high side, or the low side. I'm measuring the high side, and if it detects the pulses there, the truck knows that it's running. I have my code set up to, actually let me reset that so it's clean. I have my code set up, well, there we go. I have my code set up to check it when the start command's received. If it detects that the engine is running in the beginning, it fails and says truck is running, cannot continue, and basically resets. If it finds it's not running, it will go on and try to start the engine, and then check again. And if the truck started, it'll start a timer, a run timer, and then when the run timer expires, it shuts the truck off. If it finds that the truck didn't start for any number of reasons, starter didn't run long enough or anything, it will throw a message says truck did not start. It'll shut everything off and then say resend command. What I like to do on that is most commercial systems will have a retry period that it will basically step through the system again and start the truck until like 3 times. Third time it gives up. Still working on that. I had some test code, it didn't work. I got to get some help on that. But other than that, it works great. If it starts, yeah, okay, I got all that. Just make sure I step through the process here. So without further ado, I'm gonna start the truck. Now, I'm gonna start the truck with the key and then send the start command to the Arduino. It should see that the truck is running and fail the code and reset. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna start the truck. I hope y'all can hear that. I'm gonna grab my trusty cell phone here, wake it up, hit start. Message was sent. Let's see if this thing's gonna receive it. Alright, there we go. Actually, that was pretty quick this time. As you see, it says that it got the code to start, checking to see if the engine is running. Uh-oh, truck is running, cannot continue, which is great. It keeps it from killing my starter. Engaging a starter with a running engine is not a good idea. Well, I'll just show you real quick. I'll do this very briefly. You'll hear what happens. Yeah, that's not a good sound. I really hate I did that. Anyway, now I'm going to shut the truck back down. And I don't have this tied to the truck yet because my tack wire was a little too short. So it's not tied into my other systems in the truck as far as the remote start. So I'm going to simulate when the program comes up and says it's starting the truck. I'm going to be it. I'm going to start the truck for it, and you'll get to see what else goes on. So what I'm going to do is go here and shut the truck off. Right, it's off. And we'll send the start command. I see. I was being the starter for that. And as you can see, it started it, which was me, and then it checked. Truck is started. Now that started a timer, a run timer, that will let it'll let the truck run for so long, which is about 10 minutes. This was set for like 10 seconds. And then it shut it down. Now if this was hooked up, the truck would have shut off. Of course, it's not hooked up, so I'm going to be the shutdown. I'll flip the switch off. That's basically it. If you see in the window back here, a guy, shout out to a person that helps me a lot, is, I don't know how you say his name, it's Tawr. Man, if it wasn't for these guys, I would be nowhere near where I'm at. So, as you can see, it works. Like I said again, thanks to everybody on #Arduino on the free node IRC chat. If you ever need any help, hit me up. I might be able to help you. If you want more info on my project, you can visit Shadowtronics NC. That's Shadowtronics, TRONICS NC, all one word, at .wordpress.com. My name's Sonic2WB. Thanks for watching, and happy programming, I guess. My code is freely available. I'm releasing it. I feel like the open source community can benefit from all code. Yes, I could have went out and bought an off-the-shelf remote start. That's actually what led me to the project, was that a local auto parts store had discontinued selling them, and they had clearanced out the units. They're normally $100. They had them on sale for like $15, and I missed out. So I had an Arduino Uno, and I said, you know what, I'm going to build one. What I like about it, with it being text message, I can be anywhere in the world and start my truck. I also, which I'm not going to demo right now, I have a GPS unit hooked to it. I can see its location. I can see its speed, its heading. I have the horn, the parking lights, horn, parking lights, ignition, starter. I even have a remote disable that I've not wrote any code for and have not hooked up in the truck. My plans for it is I don't want to if someone were to steal the truck or something and I go to disable it. You cut a vehicle off going down the road, you lose power steering, you lose power brakes. So what I'm going to do is have it poll the GPS, its location, and its speed, which is really cool from GPS, and have it say if speed is under 10 miles an hour, shut down. Or have it continuously poll it till speed hits 0, someone stops, and then shut it down. And then have it blow the horn or something so I can find it. But just keep a check on the website, and if you have any questions, just hit me up. Alright, it's getting dark out here. I'm in the Eastern time zone. Getting dark and the bugs are starting to bite, so I'm going to go in the house. Again, thanks for watching.